Looking for a reliable and compact tractor with plenty of life left in it? This 2005 Kubota BX2230 is a great value workhorse, ready to tackle your property maintenance needs, priced at just $7,500. With only 1,200 hours on the clock, this machine has been well cared for and is built to keep going. It comes equipped with an underdeck mower, making it perfect for maintaining lawns, paddocks, and acreage with ease. The 3-point linkage adds versatility, allowing you to attach a range of implements for different tasks around your property. The BX2230 is known for its durability, smooth operation, and ease of use, making it a great choice for small farms, lifestyle blocks, and grounds maintenance. We can arrange Australia-wide delivery and offer easy finance options to get you working sooner. If this isn't quite what you're looking for, let us know. We're always trading machines and can help you find the right one for your needs. To inspect this machine and find out more, call Matho today. All the details are in the description below.